Oh my god, dude, we just bought a S2K carbon fiber hood, dude. I brought my hatch. Thought the hood was a lot smaller than it was, but now we're driving away and it doesn't fit. So the whole trunk is open, dude. You got straight downforce, bro. I gotta go to the nearest hardware store, Home Depot. Maybe get like a roof rack or just some straps and strap it down to my roof.
Oh shit, the hatch is falling on it.
We gotta pull over. How do we keep this open? Can you just keep going? Yeah, let's take some shorts. You can still close. What the fuck is that bullshit, dude? Fuck it, we just have to do it.
Home Depot over there. Just using his old floor mats. We got this bitch on.
I big brained it out here. We should leave on here.
And we got carbon fiber roof.
Carbon fiber roof. We're getting gas. Dude, it's strapped on there. It's pretty solid, dude.
Oh, is that a SOAR, dude?
Oh, it's an SC300, bro.
Oh. That was a SOAR.
Going to... Where are we going to? Seoul to Road.
Seoul to...
Korean
Road to
barbecue.
Seoul.
Road to Seoul.
Dumb.
Oh, shut up, dude. Korean barbecue. Sheesh, there's some shoes. You want some new shoes? Hey, you know you in LA when there's just random free stuff all over the road.
I know, right?
Hello. Thank you.
Master chef right here.
Chefing up, bro.
Checking it out. Checking it out.
I love that big Oh shit.
What a waste. I ate too much.
Alright, so we just finished eating, guys. That shit was bushin'.
The next day.
We just got a bumper, dude. It needs a little bit of work, but I think it was okay overall. There's some drill holes, but like we can fill that up with Bondo I've done it before.
Yeah. Dude, this fucking road is jank as hell,
I know, dude. I almost lost my diffuser up there. Got a little flimsy thingy. A flimsy boy.
Yeah, we're gonna have to change this up. The red. No bueno.
How's it look, red?
That actually doesn't look too bad.
Yeah. I think it makes the front look way better. I hate the front of these cars. Like, look how donkey that looks. Man, these wheels though, fuck. The real question is, are we gonna repair these wheels? Or are we just gonna sell them and swap them out to something else? Yeah, what do you guys think? These are VSXX work wheels, but they're pretty beat. Look at the curb rash on these things.
But they're work wheels though.
Yeah, they are. The 3-piece. We can get them refinished. Stock everything, stock suspension. So we'll do all of that stuff later on in a few videos. This thing needs a lot of work, but at the end it'll look really good. So stay tuned for that.